Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Kum Shibenta Bansuk Hagaban Pyntreikam project Baper Nongbah Shillong Bad Haki Kapsor. Menteri Ba ka Jilla Ukonrat Sangma Hennekasngi Ulapen Mana Baka Sorkar Jilla Kadonya ka Jingtmu Banle daga drone mapping Habarok away Kasor Shillong. Yakani Menteri Ba Ulapen Bana Hakasngi Ba Upalat Yakamap Jonkadong Dumdum Kabalapan Long ha St. John Whitehall. Shushu Ulaya Turu Balengba Kani ka drone mapping Kentip Kanu Teliki Post ki don Batlada don ki project Ban Pyntreikam Hangne Nongbah Shillong Lengba Kani ka drone mapping Kinla Ban Tip ha.
Just to inform you, this map, it's really a very great initiative, and other localities should also follow in the same lines. But I would also like to inform everyone that we have already started the process of drone mapping the whole of Shillong city, and which means that even up to the micro details of 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter also will be able to tell exactly where the tree is, where the poles are. And this mapping will obviously help in the overall better planning of future projects in Shillong city, and also allow us to handle situations in the future also when they come and as they come. So this is a great initiative, and as a government I just wanted to inform you that we will be going ahead with the drone mapping, and I hope the process should be over within the next quarter of actually doing the entire drone mapping.